Now we are going to learn about MSME for sole proprietorship. What is MSME? MSME stands for Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise. An enterprise shall be classified as Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise on the basis of following criteria. A micro enterprise where the investment in plant and machinery and the equipment does not exceed more than 1 crore rupees and the turnover does not exceed 5 crore rupees. A small enterprise where the investment in plant and machinery and the equipment does not exceed 10 crore rupees and the turnover does not exceed 50 crore rupees. A medium enterprise where the investment in plant and machinery or equipment does not exceed 50 crore rupees and turnover does not exceed 250 crore rupees. What do you need to know about MSME registration? MSME registration process is fully digitalized online, paperless and based on self-declaration basis. No document or proof except Aadhaar is required to be uploaded for registering an MSME. PAN and GST link details on investment and turnover of the enterprises will be automatically taken from the government databases. Having PAN and GST number is required for the Udayam registration with the effect from 1/4/2021. No enterprise shall file more than one Udayam registration. However, any number of activities including manufacturing or service or maybe both specified or added in one registration. On registration, an enterprise referred to as Udayam or Udayam registration portal will be assigned a permanent identification number known as Udayam registration number. This will be a permanent registration and there will be no need for renewal of registration. Benefits of MSME registration of sole proprietorship. MSME registration will be a basic identification number for an enterprise. A Udayam registration may help MSMEs in availing the benefits of schemes of ministries of MSMEs such as a credit guarantee scheme, loans without collaterals from banks, reduction on interest rate on bank loans, public procurement policy, helps in getting government tenders, ISO certification charges reimbursement, concession on electric bills, subsidy on patent registration and industrial promotions, protection against delayed payments, special consideration on international trade affairs, etc., subsidy for barcode registration, direct exemptions on income tax. MSME registration becomes eligible for the priority sector lending, all bank loans to the MSMEs. Conforming to the RBI guidelines, qualify for classification under priority sector lending. To know more about MSME registration and benefits of the same, please contact our experts at Kanakkupillai.com.